In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to automatically post your Instagram video reels to your threads. Follow me to do it. So make sure you have installed the threads and sign into your threads account. Now go to your Instagram and let's create a new post. You can select reel as well. I'm selecting post and let's select this photo for example, tapping on next. So the automatic share will be similar for reels, videos and post. Tap on next, and once you are in the final dashboard before posting the post, just tap on also share on, and here you'll find threads. So make sure to turn on threads option, and then we can see share this post or always share post. So if you want to share your all Instagram post including reels to your threads automatically, you have to select your always share post and tap on back, tap on share, and that's how you can share a video, post, reels to your Instagram and threads at the same time. So we can see the post published. I'm going to my threads, going to my profile, and here we can see the post automatically shared. Thanks for watching.